Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can customize the body shape of your Roblox avatar. Okay, first you're going to open up your Roblox application and you're going to go to the avatar customization, select the avatar menu, and you're going to go to the customize. And I'm going to customize, for example, this avatar. This is my current avatar. And if you want to customize the body shape, you're going to go to the avatar menu, or you can go to the body menu. It's same, guys. If you select body menu, you're going to go to the build, and here you can change your body type like this, and you can change the body size. Okay, and you can customize the head size as well. If you want to make it smaller or bigger, just use this button, use this toggle, and I'm going to make it taller. Okay, yeah, just like that. Use this dot to customize your body type and body size. If you use the avatar menu, you're going to select avatar and click on this icon, then select the body shape. Okay, guys, and that's how you can customize the body shape of your Roblox avatar. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.